Okay. Hello, my name is Evelyn. I- I'm here to talk about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? One may say kinetic energy is the energy of emotion. An object that has motion, every object that has motion is a kinetic energy. Whether it's a vertical or horizontal motion, it has a kinetic energy. There are many forms of kinetic energy. We have forms of kinetic energy. Um, we have the vibrational energy due to vibrational motion. So, vibrational energy due to vibrational motion. Rational energy, sorry, rotational energy. The rotational energy is the energy due to the rotational emotion, and the translational energy is the energy due to the form of location or another. So translation translational is due to the energy motion from the location to another. To keep matters simple, we will focus upon traditional translational kinetic energy. The amount of translational kinetic energy. From here on, the phrase kinetic energy will refer to translational kinetic energy, that an object has depend upon two variables, the mass of the object and the speed or velocity of an object. The following is the equation is used to represent kinetic energy of an object. So the equation of kinetic energy is Ke equals to half times mass times velocity squared. This equation reveals that the kinetic energy of an object is directly proportional to the square of its speed. That means that for a twofold increase in speed, the kinetic energy will increase by a factor of 4. For for a fold increase in speed, the kinetic energy will increase by a factor of 9. And for energy is dependent upon the square of the speed. As it is often said, an equation is not merely a read for algebra problem solving, but also a key to think about the relationship between the quantities. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. It does not have a direction, unlike velocity as a relation, force and momentum. Kinetic energy of an object is completely described by a magnitude alone, like work and potential energy. The standard of metric unit of length time meters per second squared. So to find the SI unit for kinetic energy is I 1 joules is equals to 1 kilometers times mass squared divided by second squared. So let's have let's solve for uh, kinetic energy. It says determine the kinetic energy of 625 kilogram roller coaster car that is moving with a speed of 18.3 meters per second. So it says find the kinetic energy. In this case, no, it says kinetic energy is half times mass times v squared. So in this case, no, the mass is 62 625 kilometers, and the velocity is 18.3 meters squared. So Kinetic energy is equals to half times meters times half times mass times velocity square. Sorry. So Ke equals to 0.5. I change the half to 0.5 because that is gonna be easier for me to calculate. Time 625 kilometers times 18.3 meters squared. And the calculation I got 1.05 times 10 10 raised to the power 5 joules. Every time, don't forget to bring the joules. Okay? Thank you very much.